Managing asset aging is a significant concern for business continuity. Consequently, companies are moving to information-driven engineering to improve the process and remain competitive. PhDsoft has been implementing digital transformation for structural asset integrity for over 2 decades, using digital twin technology, IoT, cloud computing, machine learning, and artificial intelligence to provide accurate answers to the question, what is our current risk? Some functionalities we provide are automated inspection plans, prediction of asset aging condition, bill of material for maintenance and repairs, data, and document management available to all parts of the asset. Our technology leads to a 10 to 40% reduction in maintenance cost, 30 to 50% reduction in downtime, and 3 to 5% safety and productivity increase. PhDsoft is a bridge to achieve digital transformation of inspection, maintenance, and risk evaluation.